Look, I wrote my hands.
I did this for who?
My Tara.
You colored your hands and you didn't go outside the lines? What's that on the back? Turn it around and tell her what you told me. What is that?
What's that what?
Right there.
That's rain.
It's raining on your hands?
Huh?
Why?
Because I like rain.
You like rain? You keep holding it in front of your face.
Oh, look, it's my hand.
Are you supposed to be recording or are you supposed to be looking back at your big head in the shadow on the wall? Which one?
Take picture.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
A video.
Okay, so who is this for?
Tara.
And Tyra is who?
Mommy.
What are you going to say to her?
Show her my hand.
What do you have to say to your mommy?
Welcome.
I love you.
I love you.
You didn't say that with meaning. You don't.
I love you.
Okay, well, act like it. Say, Mommy, look what I did.
Mommy,
You're supposed to
look
sound
what I
excited.
I do. Nick, Valentine's Day is celebrated with the ones you
Look what I did, Mommy.
with my children.
All right. Now, that was better.